Good morning, students, and welcome to Electronics 2 online simulation. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to to use the multi-SIM live in the National Instruments website. Okay, so today, this morning, I'm going to teach you how to use it and how to implement your Lab 2. Your Lab 2 is all about a Class B push-pull amplifier to implement it in the multi-SIM live. Okay, let's get started. So first, you need to open your browser. Okay, so open your browser. Please use the Google Chrome, nothing else, nothing less. And click New tab and type multisim.com. Okay, all right. Okay, before you're going to start, you need to sign up first. You need to register first your name, your details in the National Instruments in order for you to use the multi-SIM live. Okay. Now, click the sign up for free button. Okay. And fill the details as needed. So I'm going to fill it. Say Hannah 1234. First name, Hannah, Ella, okay, role, make it as a student, company, let's say company, or school, let's say the school, say FGM, okay, graduation, let's say I'm gonna graduate in June 2000, say 2022. So email address, say I put my email address, yes, and create a password. Okay, so okay, now if you're ready to go, you filled all the necessary details, click create account. Okay, oh, alias you entered is already on file, so I'm gonna change it. Let's say 2330. Okay, Hana 2330, and you need to put some password, create an account. Okay, so then wait for it. Okay, now it says confirm your account, so I need to go to my email to confirm the account. Yeah, it's not my email. I'm gonna sign this out. I use another account, the account that I use to register the multi-SIM. Okay, then sorry. Okay, my password. Okay, so I'm gonna give my password. All right, and look for the national instrument. Here we go. So click the national instrument email, and hello Hannah, to complete your account registration, you need to please confirm. Okay, so click the link, and there you go. Continue. So you are good to go to use the MultiSim. Okay, let's go back to the website. So again, type multisim.com and log in. So you're gonna log in. Okay. Now look at here. I already log in my name. So I need to do is to write the password. Okay. Okay. Then log in. All right. Now, no need for you to do the premium account activation. Okay, you just go directly to the create circuit. All right. Okay. So there we go. We are now in the MultiSim Live by National Instruments. All right. So our aim here is to draw the circuit that's being provided in your laboratory manuals. Okay. So let's go scroll down. Okay. By the way, this is your circuit. No? Okay. This is your circuit. This circuit name is the Class B push-pull amplifier. Okay. It has comprises of two diodes and a two transistor, a signal generator, and a load from here. Okay. But this is not the circuit we're going to draw. We're going to draw the other one, this one. Okay. Now, in this circuit, you'll be needing two diodes, okay, name 1N4007, and how many capacitors? 1, 2, 3, three capacitors, two transistor, one NPN and one PNP. A load resistors, okay, and a bias resistors, two bias resistors, a signal generator or a signal, and a what you call this? Oscilloscope. No, it's not an oscilloscope. Okay. All right. Let's try to connect this circuit to the MultiSim Live. Okay. All right. Now, so I'll be needing two diodes in my circuit. Okay. It's two diodes. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Okay. We can rotate it. Okay. So I'll be needing two diodes, right? Okay. Rotate it. Okay. Now, I need three resistors. Okay. Go back. So I'll be needing three resistors. Okay. Click the resistor. Okay. And another one here. Okay. And another one at the bottom. Okay. Now, I'll be needing also one NPN transistor and one PNP transistor. Okay, let's try to go here. Okay, this is your transistor. So one NPN. Okay. And one PNP. Now, look at the PNP transistor here. And look also the circuit that in our manual. So the emitter is facing upward. No, the PNP emitter is facing upward. Okay, so we need to change the direction. Okay, you're gonna flip it. Oh, there's no way to flip it. Okay. Okay. Just do this like that. Okay. Then you'll be needing a capacitors, two capacitors, or I mean three capacitors. Okay. So where's the capacitor? Passive here, capacitor. Okay, one will be here, one will be here. I think one will be here as well. I think you'll be needing also one resistor at the load. Okay. Now the diode, okay, you can change the parameters from here, now from the right side. Okay. Okay. But anyway, we'll be using this normal diode. Maybe it will work. Let's try. Okay. So now the values of the resistors are here are 1K, 1K, and 1K, but the load will be 22 ohms. Okay, 22 ohms. Okay, so let's change this value 22. All right. So now let's connect the circuit. Okay. So by connecting it, move your cursor from here. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, like that. Okay, when you move it here to the point, it will give you this cursor. Okay, so connect the resistor to the okay to the diode. Okay, to the anode of the diode, and the resistor as well connected here to the diode. Okay, as per circuit design, and as well as this one, connect it here and connect it there. Next, this one, connect. Okay, and the two diodes should be connected together as well. Okay, now also this will be connected to the base of the Pnp transistor. Okay, as well as here the base of the Pnp transistor connected to this. Okay, now also this you need to connect to the resistor. Okay, then this one also you need to connect to here, and the output capacitor connected here in between the two emitters of the transistor. Okay, so this one, the load. Okay, now in our circuit, you'll be needing a what you call this ground, okay, and a battery. Okay, so let us try to do the ground. Okay, let's here choose the ground. Again, choose the ground. the ground from here for our signal. Okay. Then connect the ground. This one also connect to the ground. This one as well here. Okay, by the way, you'll be needing a signal generator. Okay, this one, the source. I mean the source. Click source and AC voltage. Okay. Connect here. This one. Connect here. Then something missing. I think we need also the battery. Okay, this battery. Okay, battery. Go to the sources. DC voltage. Okay, connect it here. Then we'll be needing a ground as well. Okay, now. All right. All right. Make sure that the value of the capacitor is 470 microfarad. Okay, as shown in the circuit in our lab manual. Okay, and then the resistor should be 1K, except for the load should be 22 ohms. Okay, now in our lab manual, it said that the per initial voltage source should be 10 volts. Okay, and the power supply of our battery should be 20 volts. Okay, now in order for you to get the signal out of the input and output of the amplifier, so you need to put a probe. Okay, most of the time I'm using the voltage probe. Okay, so click one here. Okay, near to that line to the input, and then create another one for the output after the capacitor 3. Okay, now you're good to go to simulate the circuit. All right, so let's click the run simulation button, play. Okay, now the circuit is running. So as you can see, you can see some voltages from probe 1 and probe 2. Okay, so let's click the grapper. The grapper meaning to say it's like an oscilloscope. Okay, it will show you the signals, the two signals. Okay, so from here you're seeing a one signal blue color. Okay, but actually in order for you to show one by one, just uncheck, let's say uncheck probe 1, the input. Okay, it will show only the blue color for the probe 2 from the output, and uncheck the probe 2, it will show you the output. Okay, and as well as from here you can adjust the time. Okay, you can increase the time, you can decrease the time as well. Okay, whichever you prefer. All right, so this is the output. Okay, from here. No? Okay, also you can use the split button if you want to show the two window between your circuit and your diagram, or I mean the output signals. Okay, so from here, okay, let's click this one. All right, Okay, as you can see, no, the PR or PR2 or the probe 2 is color blue, so it represents also the signals here in the grapper. Okay, so you can also measure, no, measure the signals accordingly. From here, you can measure the peak value. Okay, it's 9.9054, and here also it's negative 9.9054. So all in all, the peak to peak value is that 9.9 plus 9.9. So it's almost 20 volts. It's almost the same with the input. Okay. All right. So let's check the input. Okay, this is the input signal. The same output. Okay. 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 Let us change the input signal from 10 volts to 5 volts. So let's pause the simulation, change the voltage source to 5 volts. Okay, then hit run. Okay, so this is the output signal of your push-pull amplifier. Okay, most likely it's almost the same with the input signal. Okay, and this button, no, from the access is it will show you automatically, or it scales the voltage axis that the data can fit. Okay, graph in the window. So then you can also adjust the 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 voltages. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching, and I hope you understand or I hope you understand how to use the MultiSim live. Okay. Thank you. Bye.